Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Arc Survival Ascended Exception Access without violation fatal error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to just simply verify the game file's integrity. So to do this, you'll just need to go ahead and follow the steps right here. So first, you just need to open up your Steam and go to the library, and then just right click on to the Arc Survival Ascended and select Properties. And click on to the Local Files tab and then click on to the Verify Integrity of Game Files, and just wait for the process to complete, and then launch the game to see if the error has been resolved. And then if this first fix didn't resolve the problem, you can just go ahead and do this next fix, so which is to update your graphics driver. So if the verifying the game files doesn't work, the next step is to update your graphics driver. So an outdated or corrupt graphics driver can cause the exception access violation fatal error. So here are the steps on how you can update your graphics driver. So first, just press the Windows key plus X on your keyboard and select the device manager from the menu, and then expand the display adapters category and just right click on your graphics and select update driver, and just follow the on-screen instructions to update your driver. And after that, just restart your computer and launch the game to see if the error has been resolved. And then next is run the game in compatibility mode. So if updating your graphics driver doesn't work still, you can try running the game in compatibility mode. So here are the steps on how you can do it. So right click onto the Arc Survival Ascended shortcut and select the properties, and then click onto the compatibility tab and check the box next to the run this program in compatibility mode for, and select the Windows 7 from the drop down menu and click apply, and then click on OK, and just launch the game if to see if the error has been resolved. And then lastly, what you can do is to lower the game resolution. So if the steps that I've told you that don't work, you can try lowering the game resolution. So here's how you can do it. Launch the Arc Survival Ascended and navigate to the graphics settings within the game. And then just lower the resolution to the lowest possible settings and save the changes and exit the game. And again, just launch the game to see if the error has been resolved. So if you're still having an issue in the Arc Survival Ascended Exception Access Violation Fatal Error, then you can contact the Steam support, and you can always find answers to frequently asked questions, submit a report or support ticket, and get in touch with the support. And so that's it for this video. But remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great. Bye bye.